Imagine coming home after a long day, craving something hearty, comforting, and full of flavor. You open your kitchen, and with just a few simple ingredients, you can create a dish that brings warmth to both your heart and your stomach. Pork giniling. You start by sautéing garlic in a little oil, releasing that fragrant aroma that signals a good meal is on its way. The ground pork is added next, breaking apart and sizzling as it turns golden brown. Then come the potatoes and carrots, absorbing all the flavors from the pork and seasonings. You can add raisins at the end, allowing them to soften and release their natural sweetness, perfectly complementing the savory pork. As it simmers, your kitchen is filled with the delicious scent of home-cooked goodness. Soy sauce adds depth, while the tomato sauce ties everything together with its tangy richness. A splash of water or broth gives it that comforting, saucy consistency. Once the vegetables are tender and the flavors have melded together, you're ready to serve. Every bite is a burst of flavor, the richness of the pork, the sweetness of the raisins, and the crunch of the vegetables, all in perfect harmony. In Filipino homes, this dish is a staple. It's often served during family gatherings or simply as a quick weeknight meal. Pork giniling is a celebration of the humble ground pork, mixed with fresh vegetables like potatoes, carrots, and peas. But it's not just savory, there's also a hint of sweetness. It's a beautiful balance of flavors that makes this dish irresistible. Plating this dish alongside hot steamed rice feels like a warm embrace. Pork giniling isn't just a meal, it's a reminder of home, family, and the simple joys of cooking. Whether you're introducing your friends to Filipino cuisine or craving something nostalgic, this pork giniling recipe is sure to satisfy your appetite and bring a little piece of the Philippines to your kitchen.